Hello everybody, welcome back to another segment of Ronixus Nature Series videos. And today we got ourselves a nice little bunch of grasshoppers. Let's see, the first one we got is this pretty guy right here. Oh yeah. Isn't that cute? Hey, how you doing, Grasshopper? You're such a cutie. Yes you are. You enjoying that? That's pretty good stuff, huh? It's okay. We aren't gonna hurt you or nothing. You're so cute. Look how big you are. Yes, look how big you are. Yeah, it's just to give him an idea how big you are. It's okay, I'm not gonna try and touch you. You're alright. Hello. You're okay, Grasshopper. Yes, you are. I'm gonna show him some of your little friends down here, too. Yep, got a bunch of them down here. Look at this cute little guy here. Yes, isn't he cute? Hey, little guy. Hi. Yeah, you're a cutie. Yeah. And grasshoppers go all over the place in this jungle. Yeah. Every once in a while, you might even see a katydid. Come on, where's some more grasshoppers? Tell your friends to come out and play. Yeah, tell your friends to come out and play. You don't seem too scared. You're a sweetie. Yes, you are. We need to find more of your friends, though. It's really good stuff you got here. Yep, hear those birdies going off? We do get quite a few rare birds out here. Cardinals and woodpeckers. Yeah, all sorts of nice stuff out this way. Let's see if we go on a little bit of safari, maybe we'll find something together. Come on. Let's see what do we got here. Ooh, that's a nice little thing. Ooh, look who we found. Oh, she's a pretty one. I'm gonna go on the other side here so you get a nice shot. Another grasshopper. There we go. Nice shot of this girl. Oh yeah. Isn't she gorgeous? She's huge. She is such a cutie. She looked like she got herself a cicada. Well, that's definitely a big bug to eat. Got anything else around? Ooh, there's a nice jumping spider. Let's see if we can get a shot of him. Look at that guy right there. Oh yeah, he's awesome. Oh, I'm sure it's she. She's big. Usually that means it's a female.